How to connect Salesforce to Excel. Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM platform for managing sales, marketing, service, and business processes. Here's how to connect Salesforce to Excel using Microsoft Excel's built-in features and Salesforce tools. Firstly, open Microsoft Excel. Click the Data tab in the ribbon. Select Get Data from Online Services. Then choose from Salesforce Objects or from Salesforce Reports. A login prompt will appear. Click Sign In. Enter your Salesforce username and password. Grant access if prompted by Salesforce. Once connected, a navigator window will appear. Select the object or report like Leads, Contacts, Opportunities. Then click Load to import the data into Excel. Use Power Query tools to filter or transform the data. Click Refresh anytime to update with live Salesforce data. Thanks for watching.